Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual, and I hope all of you had a wonderful holiday season. This year was obviously different from most, and I know a lot of people are probably missing their families, but I come at you today with a Christmas haul. I have a couple things that I picked up. I've actually had a bunch of these items for a few weeks, and I was just kind of waiting to do a collective haul for you guys. Now I have to say, this has been such a hard year. This Christmas was especially hard. So I'm an only child, but my mom has 7 brothers and sisters, and every year I get to see my whole entire family. My grandma is 93 years old, and because of the current situation, obviously, we didn't feel it was a good idea to see my grandma this year for good reason. You know, she is high risk for the coronavirus. So for Christmas this year, it was just my husband, daughter, and I was so grateful that I was able to spend it with them, but I definitely am missing all of my family members. I'm definitely missing my cousins, my aunts, my uncles, my parents. You know, Sky is missing her cousin. So it's definitely a different year for sure. But I think the most important thing that we can take away from this is just to be grateful for our health, be grateful for the time with our family. Like, I know one thing over this entire year that I've always mentioned to you guys is I'm so grateful that I've been able to work from home. Some people are not given that luxury, and I've been able to spend so much time with Sky. I've been working from home since March. I'm not sure what's going to happen once the pandemic is over. I don't know if they're going to make us go back in the office, but she's had virtual learning. It can be challenging at times, but it's just been so nice, like, being with her. So yeah, so I'm trying to really be positive and be grateful for the things that I do have. So I think because of that, I have been shopping a little more than usual. We were supposed to go on a cruise this year to celebrate one of my good friends' weddings. We weren't able to do that. It was our 15-year wedding anniversary. We were supposed to go to Vegas. We didn't get to do that. My 40th birthday is coming up in January. We were supposed to plan a trip. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. So because of that, I definitely have been indulging in a little bit of retail therapy, so I have a few things to share with you today. And one thing in particular I am super excited about. It was something that was on my wish list, so I think you guys, you may or may not know, it is in the Saint Laurent dust bag right there, but I can't wait to share it with you. So I know that was kind of a long intro, but if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up in my Christmas haul, then keep watching. So first I want to mention, this is a Christmas top that I was going to wear out to Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve. Usually my husband, daughter, and I go out to a nice dinner. We weren't able to do that this year, unfortunately, but I thought I would wear my top for this video. I got it from J. Crew Factory Outlet for like $22 during the Black Friday sale, so I was really excited about that. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get right into it, and each little piece has its own little story, so I will be sure to tell you. So I'm gonna start with this item right here. So for Black Friday, it was either Black Friday or Cyber Monday, Saks Fifth Avenue had a deal that for one day only, with a purchase, I think it was a $100 purchase, you could get a $75 gift card. So I wanted to get a new scarf, and I do own a Burberry scarf, but I wanted to get the pink. And I saw the most beautiful, you guys, how pretty is this? This is in the color Alabaster, in case you're interested, but it is a cashmere scarf. If I purchased this, I was able to get a $75 gift card, which you can put towards a future purchase. And the thing I like about Saks Fifth Avenue is they actually send you the gift card with the item, whereas some other department stores, you can get a gift card, but you'll have to wait a couple weeks. But I was super excited about this. I have a camo coat that I think it's gonna look really nice with. I do have a regular Burberry scarf, but again, these are cashmere. And oh my gosh, I couldn't wait to open it. You can see the beautiful pink. Again, it is in the shade Alabaster, but they have a lot of different shades. They have the classic check. This one in particular is the classic check in the Alabaster, but they have so many colors. They have a red, they have a blue, they have the classic Burberry check print, but I just love this. I thought it was different, and again, I really, really love the pink. You guys know that normally, if it's not the Christmas season, I have my backdrop kind of decorated in a pretty pink, so I will be putting my Christmas decorations away soon, and we will be adding that back, but I just thought this was absolutely stunning. stunning. And I am a huge sucker when it comes to gifts with purchase, or, you know, getting something with a purchase, because it makes me feel like, okay, well, I'm getting a deal out of that. So to get a $75 gift card for buying this, I was really happy about that. And the $75 gift card, I got that, and I actually put that towards some makeup, which, stay tuned, I will be sharing another makeup haul in the future. I have like a random Sephora haul, some things from Sephora, and a couple other things I will share with you. So I was super excited to pick this up. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot to mention, I do want to congratulate the winner of my recent Chanel giveaway. I gave away one of the Chanel little makeup bags that are really hard to find in all its contents. So Brittany, congratulations. I am so happy for you. I appreciate all of your support. You have been such a great longtime supporter of my channel, and I want you to know I appreciate it. And you guys, stay tuned. I try to do a ton of giveaways on my channel just as a way to give back. Congratulations again to Brittany. Okay, so this was the first thing I picked up, and I'm just in love with it. Let's go to Hermes here. So I picked up a little item from Hermes. No, it's not a Birkin or a Kelly, obviously, because it's a small box. It is just a small leather good. And one thing, I probably don't need any more small leather goods, but I have been kind of a sucker for them lately. Okay, so I'm sure if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that there is a particular item from Hermes that I absolutely love, and they come in a ton of colors, and I saw this color and I was just in love with it. So first, you know, they all come in this beautiful little Hermes box. It has the tissue paper. And the item I picked up this is the Hermes Bastia Verso Change Purse. It is in the color Blue Frida, and it is in goat skin. And oh my gosh, you guys, how pretty is this? Now, these retail for $235, and I feel like it's a good way to get your feet kind of wet with Hermes if you want to try out the brand. This is one of my favorite pieces. I also have it in black, but the cool thing about this, in case you guys weren't aware, this is just made from a single piece of leather into this cute little Bastia, but I love it. It is so functional. Love the colors. The inside, it says Hermes Paris, made in France, and it has this really, really pretty like brown, or it's kind of like an amber color, but I love this. The thing I love about it is if you do carry change, it's great, because if you're like, okay, I need a dime or a nickel, you open it and you can spread the change here, and because it has this little flap in this lip, the change is not going to fall out. You can also fold up bills. Really, really nice. It's thin, it's lightweight, it fits in a ton of things, and like I said, I just absolutely love this color. There was another one that I had my eye on. It was a really pretty pink, but by the time I went back to the website, it was sold out, so I got this one because I love these like pretty turquoise blues. Again, this is in the shade Blue Frida, but they have so many different colors. I think I checked the website the other day and they had like 24, but again, if you guys want to try Hermes, I would definitely recommend this piece right here. I love it. It's tiny, but yet it's so functional, and I have it in black, and it just holds up really well. So I was really excited to pick up this piece, and this color is stunning. Now let's do Louis Vuitton, and we'll save the handbag for last. So I have to tell you, this is a really hard to get piece. It is something that I've been on the lookout, and you know, Instagram is a really, really good place to find things that like hard to get pieces that you really want. I actually was following her Instagram handle is Telaya LV Denver. I was following her and this piece came up. She actually works at the Louis Vuitton store in Denver, and I saw it in her stories and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So it was a really great transaction. I saw it and she sent me the invoice, and then she mailed the item to me, and I'm super excited because when you guys see what this is, you'll know what I mean. This is a really great piece, but it's hard to get as well. So first, I want to tell you, she was amazing to do business with. I messaged her and she was really quick to get back to me, and it shipped within a few days. So thank you so much. It was a pleasure working with you, and I really appreciate it. So again, here is the beautiful packaging. So, and anyone that I do mention, I will put their Instagram handles down below. And it comes like this. Comes with a little receipt here, which I always hang on to in the box. All right, it comes in the dust bag. And this is a true unboxing. This is the first time I am seeing it as well. And the item that I picked up is this right here is the Louis Vuitton mini Pachette accessories in the Monogram canvas. I have been wanting this for so long, and you might recall that I do own this in the Damier Ebene, which I absolutely love, but these pieces are just great for Louis Vuitton. This is another item I recommend if you can get your hands on it. It's a great starter piece from Louis Vuitton if you just want to kind of get your feet wet, but this is the Monogram coated canvas. It has this chain so you can wear it as a little purse. You can take the clip, connect it here and wear it as a little wristlet. You guys have seen in my other videos that you can buy chains from, I have one from Organize My Bag where you can turn this into a little bag. So many great things. This is like a really, really functional piece. It says LV. Let's see where this one. Oh, this one is Paris, made in France. And one thing that I have been doing is I have been spraying the vachetta so that it doesn't patina. On the interior, it does come with the tags and everything. This is, in case you're looking, M58009 is the number, and it retails for $365. You can see on the interior it has the textile lining, but I just love this piece. It is a great keep-all. I use it in my purse. You can use it for makeup, you can use it for tampons, you can use it for, you know, whatever you want, and it's so tiny that it fits in a lot of bags that I just could not wait to add this to my collection. So I'm super, super excited to have this. I know it's going to get a lot of use. So thank you again. Telaya, again, she works at the Louis Vuitton in Denver, and she was super helpful. Now the moment that I have been waiting for, because I have had this bag for a little while now, and I did take a little peek, I'm not gonna lie, but I have been dying to just like open it and play with it and touch it, and I'm just so excited. Okay, so this bag right here, I'm going to give you a hint, I have wanted a pink handbag for as long as I can remember, but I just wanted to make sure I found the right pink handbag. This is a bag that I already own in a different color, and I absolutely love it. And when this showed up, so let me tell you how I was able to score this bag. I follow a personal stylist on Instagram. His name is Jacob. He is a personal stylist in Boca Raton, Florida at Saks Fifth Avenue. And what he'll do, if there are any sale items at Ysl or you know, a lot of different brands, he'll post them on his stories. And I saw this on his stories and I immediately contacted him. I was like, is that still available? This bag, I scored it on sale for under $2,000. I could not believe it. It's brand new, you know, dust came in a dust bag and everything, but I'm really finding that Instagram is like a great like source if you're looking for something hard to find. Speaking of which, before I get into this, if you guys find, I'm going to mention it again because I'm obsessed with it and I'm looking for it. I am looking for the Chanel mini square in the black caviar with gold hardware, and I want it from like 2012 or before because it has like the really boxy look. If anyone is able to find that bag, please let me know. I mean, I can't make any promises I'm going to make any purchases now because they've been bad, but I am just on the hunt for that and I can't find it anywhere. And I really don't want lambskin because I do currently have a lambskin while on chain, and I do have a lambskin in the size medium, so I'm looking for that. But anyway, let's get back. So this bag right here, I got it from Jacob. He was really nice. I had a lot of questions for him and he answered all my questions. And so Jacob said, thank you so much. You were a pleasure to work with. I will put his Instagram handle down below. So let's go ahead. Do you guys have any guesses? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. The bag that I picked up is, you ready? It is the, oh my God. Can I just take a moment? This is the Saint Laurent, and you know what, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. If it's hard to see, I will insert like close-ups. This is the Saint Laurent large size envelope bag in the marble pink. You guys know I own this bag in black. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite bags. Mainly it just looks so beautiful and chic, and it has this durable leather that is just amazing. This has silver hardware, which I love because my ring is platinum, so I feel like it matches. But the amazing thing about this bag is it does have a back pocket, which I love. That's where I can put my phone. This is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. It says Saint Laurent Paris. It's going to be hard to pick up, I know, but the thing I love is like the sound that it makes too. This is a calfskin leather. It has the chevron print right here, and then it has the quilting down here. Again, the silver hardware, and you open it up. It has the Saint Laurent tag. Again, I scored this bag for under $2,000, and it normally retails for $2,650, so I could not believe it. So you open it. It has Saint Laurent Paris. You can see the inside. It is just like one large compartment, so you can fit a ton, and it has a zipper right there. Love this, you guys. It has the snap closure. Oh my gosh, is this not the most beautiful bag? So let me go ahead and try it on for you guys so you can see. I usually wear this as a short shoulder or like a long shoulder. You could wear it crossbody, but I don't really think it looks the best crossbody because of how large it is. So I usually wear it as a shoulder bag. Okay, so you can see how this looks. Is this just, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love this. I'm kind of new to pink bags. I knew that I wanted one, and when I saw that this popped up, I was like, oh my gosh, that is exactly what I want. And the wonderful thing about it too is I have this, which will match perfectly. It is a little Ysl card holder, which I bought a while ago, and I just think this is just like such a pretty pink. Again, it's called marble pink. It's kind of hard to find. I want to say I saw it at Net-a-Porter in like the medium size, and I considered getting that one, but when this popped up and I was able to get it for under $2,000 because it was on sale, I was like, how is that possible? This bag is so beautiful. Now keep in mind, this is a really dressy bag, so the only like hesitation I had is since I'm working from home, I don't know if I'm really going to be able to wear it as much as I would love, especially since it's pink, and I am going to have to learn how to style a pink bag because I'm definitely used to wearing a lot of black, but I just think it is so beautiful. If you guys have been on the fence about this bag, it is so chic and elegant and classy. I just love the quilting, and I'll tell you who I first fell in love with it on. I saw it on Maria Vizuette. She is a beauty blogger. She has the cutest style, and she actually had it in the beige color, which I thought I would get it in the beige color until I saw this pink, and I was like, well, you know what? I've always wanted a pink bag, and they have this available, so why not? So I'm so excited. This bag was on my wish list, and I can do videos in the future if you guys want me to do a review, if you want me to do like a what's in my bag. Actually, let me show you the black one that I have. Okay, so this is the black one that I have, and this is like, oh my gosh, you guys, this one right here is my baby. I just absolutely love it. But you can see this one, I have it with the gold hardware, and then this one is in the silver. So even though they're the same bag, they're different because they're different colors and different hardwares, but I love it. So Jacob, thank you so much for checking an item off of my wish list. I absolutely love this. Thank you to Telaya in Denver. I absolutely love that too. And I'm really, really excited with the pieces that I picked up. So like I said, I had a little Christmas haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that under the circumstances, you guys are having a wonderful holiday. Like I said, I know this is hard for everyone, but just hang in there, stay positive, keep the ones you love close to your heart, and just, be thankful for the little things. I think so many times we can, look at, oh, I'll be happy when this happens, or I'll be happy when I have that, or when this is over. And we have to really learn to live in the present moment, and that's something that I am trying to do a lot more too. Enjoy the time with my daughter, enjoy the time with my husband, not so much thinking about the future. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I wish you the best in 2021. Hopefully that will be a good year. But if you guys got anything special, I would love to hear it down below. Is there something on your wish list that you got for Christmas? If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.